Hi YouTube, in this video I'm going to cover off the ins and outs of a property that I've just purchased that I may do a flip project or do a BRRR and get it rented. Now watch to the end of the video because I've done a full walk around tour of the property and all the bits that we need to do, consider, renovate, how much we predicted the cost to be. Now this is going to be a series of 2 to 3 videos, so I'm really going to show you from the start all the way to the finish. This will show the good and the bad and give you a realistic insight of buying property, refurbishing it and making decisions along the way. So let's go into the video of the tour of the property and let me know what you think in your comments below. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of the content, again, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell. It's completely free. And again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.